Real numbers, rational and irrational numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
While learning rational numbers, you must have learned that a rational number is any number that can be expressed in P by Q form where P and Q are integers and Q is not zero. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q, which stands for quotient.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let's check if 2.5 is a rational number. 2.5 has finite non-zero numbers after the decimal point. Such number is called a terminating decimal. We can easily express it in fraction form as 25 divided by 10. Simplifying this, we get 5 divided by 2. So we are able to express this terminating decimal number in P by Q form where P, that is 5, and Q, that is 2, are integers and Q, that is 2, is not equal to 0. So 2.5 is a rational number. Like 2.5, 3.5, 14.2, 7 divided by 2, 18 by 5 are all rational numbers. Now consider a number 0.3333 and so on. It can be written as 0.3 with a bar above 3 and read as 0.3 repeating. In this number, the digit 3 is repeating continuously after the decimal point. Such number is called non-terminating repeating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal or simply recurring decimal. Let's try to express this repeating decimal in P by Q form. How can we do that? To do so, we consider any arbitrary letter, say x equals to 0.33333. Here there is only one repeating digit, so we will multiply both sides by 10, which is equals to 3.3333 and so on. If there were two repeating digits like 1.27272727, that is 27 repeating, then we would have multiplied both sides by 100. If there were three repeating digits like 0.001001, that is 001 repeating, then we would have multiplied by 1000 and so on.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let's subtract x from both sides. 10x minus x is equals to 3.3333 and so on minus x. In RHS, let's put value of x. So 10x minus x is 9x and 3.3333 and so on minus 0.3333 and so on is 3, which gives 9x equals to 3. Now if we transport 9 to RHS, then it goes to denominator of 3, that is x equals to 3 divided by 9. Simplifying this, we get x equals to 1 by 3. That is 0.3333 and so on is equals to 1 divided by 3. To verify this, let's divide numerator 1 by denominator 3. We will get 0.3333 and so on. Thus, we are able to express the repeating decimal number 0.3333, that is 0.3 repeating, in P by Q form as 1 by 3. Similarly, we can express 1.27272727, that is 1.27 repeating as 14 by 11 and 0.001001, that is 0.001 repeating as 1 by 999.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So these are also rational numbers. So from the previous example and these examples, we can say that all numbers, whether they are terminating decimals or recurring decimals, are rational numbers as well. Now consider a famous value, pi. Pi is the value of measure of circumference of the circle divided by its diameter. Circumference is the length of edge of the circle and diameter is the length across the circle passing through the center. Independent of how big or small the circle is, the value of pi remains same. It is pi equals to 3.1415926535897932384 and so on. You won't see any pattern of repeating digits like we observed earlier. Such number cannot be represented exactly in p by q form, so this is not a rational number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Those numbers which cannot be expressed in p by q form, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are called irrational numbers. So pi is an irrational number. For using such numbers, we can use their approximate value. For example, value of pi is taken as 22 upon 7. Remember, 22 by 7 is a rational number. However, pi is an irrational number. Consider Euler's number. It has value E equals to 2.7182818284590452 and so on. We cannot express it in p by q form where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So this is also an irrational number. Like these numbers, under root 2 and under root 3 are also called irrational numbers. Other examples of irrational numbers are under root 5, under root 7, under root 8 and so on. Now we know that all counting numbers are natural numbers. If 0 is included in the collection of natural numbers, then the new collection is called whole numbers. The need of showing opposite situations is solved by including negative numbers in the collection of whole numbers, and so resulting collection is called integers. Similarly, the collection of all integers along with all fractions are included in collection of rational numbers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Now as we know irrational numbers as well, so we include them along with rational numbers, and so the resulting collection is called real numbers. We will learn more about real numbers in upcoming videos. Example: identify which of the following are rational numbers and irrational numbers. 5, under root 5, 0.1 repeating, root 9, root 2 by 3, root 9 by 25. 5 is rational as we can express it as 5 by 1, which is p by q form, and denominator is not 0. Root 5 is irrational as we cannot express it as ratio of integers p and q. 0.1 repeating is equals to 1 by 9. So, 0.1 repeating is rational number. Root 9 is equals to 3, which is equals to 3 by 1. So, root 9 is rational number. Root 2 by 3 is irrational as we can't simplify root 2 to bring the given number in ratio of integers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Root 9 by 25 is rational as we can simplify root 9 upon 25 as 3 by 5, with which we get the ratio of integers and denominator is not 0. So I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.